The tap water in New Lobengula has been a health hazard. Since February, residents have been reporting sewage odors coming from their tap water. Yes, sewage. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS. Imagine turning on your tap and getting hit with that sewage smell. Families are scared. And they have every right to be. Multiple reports have been made to Councillor Muzuwakibo Masuku, and samples have been collected by the City Council. But here's the kicker: there's been no feedback, no action, no resolution. Each day, people are worried about what's coming out of their taps. The health risks are real and immediate. Residents need answers and solutions, now. This isn't just about dirty water. It's about the safety and well-being of an entire community. How long will it take for authorities to act? Stay tuned, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe.